Hello guys, this is Mohammed Marwan. Today I am inviting you all to start a new journey to become a programmer. As you know, there is a huge demand for programmers nowadays. As companies, they started to involve emerging technologies into their business. And to use emerging technologies, you need to be a programmer to work with it. And the best programming language to learn nowadays is Python, as it is used in most of the emerging technologies and big companies like Facebook, Google, and Yahoo. You don't have programming experience? Don't worry. This course is going to cover everything from the scratch. It's going to cover all the basics fundamental about this programming language, which will allow you later on to be a real programmer. After finishing this course and mastering all the subjects which we are going to discuss, you will have all the prerequisites, all the required knowledge to start learning about artificial intelligence, big data, Internet of Things, how to use programming language for automation, building the desktop applications, web applications. All of these kind of fields you can start studying it the moment you have the required programming knowledge about Python, as Python is the main programming language for all of these fields. In this training, we will cover the following. First, we are going to install the required environment so that we can use it to write Python code. And then we will talk about data types, how to build if statement, how to build loops using for and while technique, how to create and define functions, how to start using classes and creating our own class, how to create and build modules. All of these fundamentals we are going to discuss during this training, and we will have many exercises which need to be answered by you guys, and I will be here to help you on how to solve it. So what you are waiting for? Let us start this journey together.